Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Wednesday, February 27th, 2019. The Kurymsky volcano in Kamchatka, Russia, has recently become very active again. Satellite data shows intense ash emissions that blanket the landscape east of the volcano up the coast. The current activity is likely consisting of Strombolian-type explosions at very frequent intervals. The aviation color code has been raised to orange. On the 22nd, there was a magnitude 7.7 earthquake near Palora, Ecuador, at a depth of 152 kilometers. The quake caused moderate shaking and prompted evacuations from buildings. On the 26th, a dangerous hailstorm hit parts of Bolivia, killing dozens of birds and injuring several people. So far, 4 families have been displaced after the ground suddenly began to collapse in a neighborhood in Santa Clarita, California, following a day of heavy rainfall. What started as small cracks on the 18th turned into massive fissures that began to swallow yards and houses, forcing 4 families to be evacuated by the 22nd. Geologists and engineers have been contacted to find out what caused the collapse. On the 22nd, heavy rains caused dangerous mudslides in Hawkins County, Tennessee, killing 1 person, injuring another, and damaging infrastructure. As thousands of dolphins are washing up on French coasts, an alarming number of dead or sick dolphins are now appearing from Laguna to Huntington Beach, California. Experts are still unsure of the cause, but believe it to be related to a toxic algae bloom off the coast. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. Protect your body against the toxins we're exposed to every day through our food, water, and air. Check out getthetea.com. They have everything you need to get your body and mind back to a healthy state. Heal your body from the inside out. Just let them know you were sent by Forbidden Knowledge News when you check out. That's getthetea.com.